just to give our listeners just a little bit of a background on the history, very brief history of blood libels. I know I'm a little bit obviously familiar with it. Actually, a great uncle of mine wrote an essay on it. He was alive during the blood libel in Hungary. I think the missing girl, Esther, was her name.
Yep, yep, 1882.
Yeah, he wrote a response to that, and we have that in a book that was manuscript that was found by the family and published a number of years ago. But general history of blood libels, and obviously we'll connect it to your book.
Right. So unfortunately, it's a long history. It goes all the way back to the early Middle Ages. And the case that most historians who study these things think initiated this accusation against Jews took place in England in the middle of the 12th century. And in this case, a young boy turned up dead. And without any evidence or any reason to think that any Jewish people were responsible for this, the notion took hold that the Jews had kidnapped this young boy, crucified him ritually. And it was a monk named Thomas of Monmouth who created this story, and it's a total fiction, of course, but because of the stature of this person, a monk, it became something that was widely believed, and the story caught on, and it bounced over to the European continent, and from the middle of the 1100s on, this became a regular occurrence. And again, the notion, the crazy notion, is that Jews need to use the blood of Christian children for their religious rituals. And eventually the idea started to circulate that the Jews in particular needed to use this blood on Passover, because it was an essential ingredient supposedly in the making of matzah.